Garnet is a captivating group of silicate minerals known for their rich colors and historical significance. Unlike most gemstones that belong to a single mineral species, garnet represents a diverse family of minerals, each with its unique characteristics. The primary types of garnets include almandine. This garnet variety is typically deep red to reddish brown and is commonly used in jewelry. It is one of the most abundant garnets found in nature. Pyrope. Known for its fiery red to pink hues, pyrope garnets are often found in metamorphosed ultramafic rocks. They are particularly notable for their brilliance and are used in high-quality gemstone jewelry. Spessartine. Ranging from orange to reddish brown, spessartine garnets are less common and often found in granite and pegmatites. Their vibrant colors make them desirable for collectors. Grossular. This variety can range from green to yellow and even colorless. The grossular garnet is often found in metamorphic rocks and has several attractive subtypes, including the green Savourite garnet. Andradite. Found in colors from yellow to green and brown, andradite garnets are less common but valued for their unique hues and high refractive index. Historical background. Garnet's history is as vibrant as its colors. Ancient civilizations treasured garnets for their beauty and believed they possessed magical properties. Ancient Egypt. Garnets were popular in ancient Egyptian jewelry and were often set in intricate designs. They were believed to protect the wearer and were often placed in tombs as part of burial rituals. Ancient Greece and Rome. In classical antiquity, garnets were used in rings and amulets, symbolizing power and protection. The Greek philosopher and historian Pliny the Elder mentioned garnets in his writings, praising their beauty and rarity. Medieval Europe. During the Middle Ages, garnets became associated with the church and nobility. They were often used in ecclesiastical robes and royal regalia, symbolizing status and divine protection. Formation and occurrence. Garnets form under specific geological conditions, primarily in metamorphic and igneous rocks. Their formation is a result of high pressure and high temperature environments where they crystallize from molten or chemically altered rock. Geological formation. Garnets typically form in metamorphic rocks such as schist and gneiss, where they crystallize under intense heat and pressure. They can also be found in igneous rocks like basalt and granite. The mineral's stability in these conditions allows it to be a reliable indicator of the metamorphic grade of the host rock. Global distribution. Garnets are found across the globe, with notable deposits in various regions. Africa. Countries like Kenya and Tanzania are known for their beautiful garnets, particularly the green Savourite. Asia. India, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar are significant sources of garnets, including the pyrope and almandine varieties. The Americas. The United States, particularly in states like Arizona and New York, produces garnets. The state of New York is renowned for its almandine garnets. Garnet's versatility and beauty have cemented its place as a cherished gemstone throughout history. From ancient artifacts to modern jewelry, garnet's appeal spans centuries and cultures, making it a fascinating subject for both gem enthusiasts and historians alike. Mineral properties. Garnet's allure is not just in its vibrant colors but also in its intriguing mineral properties. Understanding these properties helps in identifying and appreciating this gemstone. Chemical composition. Garnet is a complex silicate mineral with a general formula of X3Y2, CO4, where X and Y represent different metal ions. The variations in these ions lead to different types of garnets: almandine, Fe3Al2, CO4, iron aluminum garnet, pyrope, Mg3Al2, CO4, magnesium aluminum garnet, spessartine, Mn3Al2, CO4, manganese aluminum garnet, grossular, Ca3Al2, CO4, calcium aluminum garnet, andradite, Ca3Fe2, CO4, calcium iron garnet. Physical characteristics. Hardness. Garnets rank between 6.5 and 7.5 on the Mohs scale of hardness, making them suitable for various types of jewelry. Their hardness varies slightly depending on the garnet type, with almandine and pyrope being on the higher end of the scale. Luster. Garnets exhibit a vitreous, glass-like luster, which contributes to their brilliance and attractiveness in jewelry. Clarity. Garnets can range from transparent to opaque. High-quality gemstones are typically transparent, while others may contain inclusions that can affect their clarity and value. Identification and classification. gemologists use several methods to identify and classify garnets, ensuring accurate classification and valuation. Testing methods. Spectroscopy. This technique analyzes the light absorption of garnet to determine its specific type. Different garnets absorb light at unique wavelengths, helping gemologists distinguish between varieties. Refractometry measures the refractive index of garnet, which varies among different types. This helps in identifying the garnet's type and quality. Inclusions, or internal features, can be examined using a microscope to determine the garnet's type and origin. Common inclusions in garnets include needle-like rutile and crystal inclusions. Common misconceptions, rarity and value. Some people mistakenly believe that garnets are rare and valuable. While certain types, like the deep red pyrope, can be expensive, garnets are generally more affordable than other gemstones like diamonds or sapphires. Color and quality. Not all garnets are red. They come in a variety of colors, including green, orange, and yellow. The color intensity and quality depend on the specific garnet type and its mineral composition. Geological significance. Garnets are not just valuable gemstones but also important indicators of geological conditions. Metamorphic indicators. The presence of garnet in metamorphic rocks can help geologists understand the conditions under which the rocks formed. Garnets can provide clues about the temperature and pressure conditions during metamorphism. Economic geology. Garnets are also important in economic geology. Certain types, like industrial garnets, are used in abrasive materials for cutting and grinding due to their hardness and durability. Garnet's scientific properties, combined with its historical and cultural significance, make it a fascinating subject of study. Its diverse types and unique characteristics offer a deeper understanding of this beautiful gemstone, enhancing its appreciation among gemologists and collectors alike. Historical significance. Garnet has captivated human interest for thousands of years, with its deep colors and unique properties making it a symbol of power, protection, and passion across various cultures. Ancient Egypt. Usage in jewelry and artifacts. Garnets were highly prized in ancient Egypt, where they were used in jewelry and amulets. They were often set in elaborate designs and worn by royalty and high priests. Symbolism and beliefs. Ancient Egyptians believed that garnets had protective qualities and could ward off evil spirits. They were often placed in tombs as part of burial rituals to ensure safety in the afterlife. Ancient Greece and Rome. Historical references. Garnets were featured in Greek and Roman jewelry and artifacts. Greek philosopher and historian Pliny the Elder wrote about the garnet's beauty and rarity, praising its qualities. Cultural significance. In ancient Greece, garnets were associated with the god of love, Eros, and were believed to symbolize passion and strength. Romans also valued garnets for their supposed healing properties and used them in various ceremonial objects. Medieval Europe. Religious and noble usage. During the Middle Ages, garnets became symbols of ecclesiastical and noble power. They were used in church vestments, royal crowns, and ceremonial regalia, signifying both spiritual and temporal authority. Mythical associations. Garnets were believed to have protective qualities and were thought to bring good fortune to their wearers. They were often featured in medieval manuscripts and artwork as symbols of virtue and integrity. Modern usage. Garnet continues to hold a special place in modern culture, finding its way into contemporary jewelry and fashion while retaining its historical allure. Contemporary jewelry, design trends. Modern jewelers use garnets in a variety of settings, from classic solitaires to intricate designs. Garnet's diverse colors and high brilliance make them popular choices for statement pieces, engagement rings, and custom jewelry. Famous jewelry pieces. Highlight notable examples of garnet jewelry from renowned designers or historical pieces that showcase the gemstone's elegance and versatility. Garnet in art and symbolism. Artistic representation. Garnets appear in various forms of art, from paintings and sculptures to contemporary installations. Artists often use garnets to symbolize themes of passion, protection, and beauty. Cultural symbolism. Garnets are recognized as birthstones for January, and their symbolism extends into modern culture. They are often given as gifts for anniversaries and special occasions, representing enduring love and commitment. Garnet's role in society. Garnet's impact extends beyond jewelry and art, influencing various aspects of society. Educational and historical significance. garnets are studied in gemology and mineralogy, offering insights into the Earth's geological processes. They are featured in educational materials and museum exhibits, helping to educate the public about mineralogy and historical contexts. Healing and wellness. In modern holistic practices, garnets are believed to have healing properties that promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. While these claims lack scientific validation, they continue to be a part of alternative wellness practices. Garnet's historical significance and contemporary relevance illustrate its enduring appeal. From ancient civilizations to modern fashion, garnet remains a symbol of beauty, power, and protection, weaving its way through cultures and history in a rich tapestry of tradition and modernity. Mining and trade. Garnet's economic significance extends beyond its role as a gemstone, impacting both global trade and local economies. Mining techniques, extraction methods. Garnets are mined using various techniques depending on the geological location and the type of garnet being extracted. Common methods include open-pit mining for alluvial deposits and underground mining for primary deposits. In some regions, garnets are also recovered from gravel and sand deposits. Processing. After extraction, garnets are sorted and processed to remove impurities and prepare them for sale. This includes crushing, washing, and separating the garnets from other materials. For gem-quality garnets, additional steps involve cutting and polishing to enhance their appearance. Economic impact. Contribution to local economies. Garnet mining can significantly impact local economies, providing jobs and contributing to infrastructure development. In some regions, it forms a crucial part of the local economy, supporting communities and contributing to economic growth. Global trade. Garnet is a significant commodity in the global gemstone market. Major producers, such as India, Tanzania, and the United States, export garnets worldwide. The trade of garnets influences global markets, with factors like supply and demand affecting prices and availability. Industrial applications. Beyond its use in jewelry, garnet has essential applications in various industries due to its physical properties. Abrasive materials. Uses in industry. Garnets are valued for their hardness and durability, making them ideal for use as abrasives in cutting, grinding, and sandblasting. Garnet abrasives are used in applications ranging from metal fabrication to glass production. Types of abrasive garnets. Industrial garnets are typically lower quality stones that are not suitable for gemstones but are highly effective as abrasives. These include types like armandine and andradite, which are processed to remove impurities and enhance their abrasive properties. Technological innovations. Advancements in processing. Recent technological advancements have improved the efficiency of garnet mining and processing. Innovations include more precise sorting techniques, environmentally friendly processing methods, and enhanced extraction technologies. New applications. Research into garnet's properties has led to new applications in fields such as environmental remediation, where garnet-based materials are used for water filtration and soil conditioning. The versatility of garnet continues to open new avenues for its use in technology and industry. Market dynamics. Understanding the economic factors influencing garnet's market helps to appreciate its broader impact. Pricing factors. Quality and rarity. The value of garnet depends on factors such as color, clarity, cut, and carat weight. High-quality gemstones with intense colors and minimal inclusions command higher prices. Rare types of garnets, such as green tsavorite or padparadscha, are particularly valuable. Supply and demand. The balance between supply and demand affects garnet prices. Factors such as mining output, market trends, and economic conditions influence the availability and cost of garnets. Investment potential. Collecting and investment. Garnets can be a worthwhile investment for collectors and investors, particularly rare and high-quality specimens. The market for gemstone investments is influenced by trends, collector interest, and economic conditions. Future outlook. The future of the garnet market is shaped by factors such as technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, and environmental considerations. As new sources are discovered and industrial applications evolve, the market for garnets may continue to grow and diversify. Garnet's economic and industrial importance extends beyond its allure as a gemstone. Its role in various industries and its impact on global trade highlight its value and versatility. From mining and processing to industrial applications and market dynamics, garnet's significance is multifaceted, demonstrating its enduring relevance in both economic and technological contexts. Gemstone care. Proper care and maintenance are crucial for preserving the beauty and longevity of garnet jewelry. Here are some key tips: cleaning and maintenance. Routine cleaning. To keep garnet jewelry looking its best, clean it regularly with a mild soap solution and a soft brush. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that can damage the gemstone. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry with a soft cloth. Professional care. For intricate settings or high-value pieces, consider having your garnet jewelry cleaned and inspected by a professional jeweler. They can address any issues such as loose settings or scratches and provide expert care. Avoiding damage. Chemical exposure. Garnets can be sensitive to chemicals found in cleaning products, perfumes, and cosmetics. Remove garnet jewelry before using these substances to prevent potential damage. Physical impact. While garnets are relatively hard, they can still be susceptible to scratching or chipping if exposed to rough surfaces or sharp objects. Store garnet jewelry separately from other pieces to avoid contact that could cause damage. Investment potential. Garnet can be a worthwhile investment, particularly for collectors and investors seeking valuable and unique gemstones. Understanding the factors that influence garnet's value is essential for making informed investment decisions. Valuation factors. Color. The color of garnet plays a significant role in determining its value. Deep, vivid colors such as intense red or vibrant green are highly sought after. Color consistency and lack of undesirable hues or color zoning can enhance a garnet's value. Clarity. The presence of inclusions can affect a garnet's value. High-quality garnets are typically free of visible inclusions, although some types, like spessartine, naturally contain inclusions that do not significantly impact their value. Cut and carat weight. The quality of the cut affects the garnet's brilliance and overall appearance. Well-cut garnets that maximize their brilliance and minimize any visual imperfections are more valuable. Carat weight also influences the price, with larger stones generally commanding higher prices. Collecting and investing. Market trends. Stay informed about current market trends and demand for garnets. Rare and high-quality garnets, such as Padparadscha or Savoorite, are often in demand among collectors and can offer investment potential. Authentication and certification. When investing in garnets, seek pieces that come with certification from reputable gemological laboratories. Certification provides assurance of the gemstone's authenticity and quality, which is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Future outlook. Market dynamics. The garnet market is influenced by various factors, including global economic conditions, technological advancements, and changes in consumer preferences. Keep an eye on emerging trends and new discoveries that could impact the market. Environmental considerations. Increasing awareness of ethical sourcing and environmental impact may affect the garnet market. Investors and collectors should consider the provenance of garnets and support practices that prioritize sustainability and ethical mining. Garnet's appeal extends beyond its aesthetic beauty to its potential as a valuable investment. Proper care ensures the gemstone's lasting brilliance, while understanding the factors that influence its value helps investors make informed decisions. As garnet continues to capture interest in both jewelry and investment circles, its enduring allure and multifaceted significance offer opportunities for appreciation and growth.